What if you could build and trading strategies without writing a single line of code? I mean, we've been keep seeing this lot of commercial products offering those things. But how about an open source tool, right? So which does that? So introducing OpenAlgo Flow, a visual workflow builder for algorithmic trading that connects directly with your broker through OpenAlgo. And of course, almost 25 plus brokers are supporting OpenAlgo Flow. So instead of coding complex scripts, you can just simply drag and drop nodes onto a canvas or workspace. So you can connect a schedule trigger to a price condition, link it to a place order action, and finish it with a Telegram notification. So your strategy is ready, right? So let me show you. I'll first go and log into that. I logged in, so the workflows are already there, right? So what you can automate is like you can automate your intraday entry and exit strategies at specific times. You can generate an price alert with automated order execution. Order option strategies like straddle, strangles, iron condors. So I'm going to show you a simple straddle workflow here. So here's a straddle workflow. So whenever the time is reaching a certain place, let's say like I'm gonna say like 9:20, I want to send an multi-leg straddle. So you can go and select straddle, strangle, iron condors, right? And you can also select expiry, current week, next week, current month, next month. And you can also say like whether you're an option buyer or a seller. You can select that. You can select the quantities, and you can even trigger orders to the Telegram as well. So you can just, all you have to say like save and activate, that will be enabling the workflow, right? And you can also run now. You can test the workflow using run now. So that will be immediately triggering the workflow. You can go and check how it is working fine. And it also able to see the execution logs as well. And the alerts will be sent to Telegram, and you'll be able to see the Telegram alerts as well, right? All right, so what are the things which are supported in OpenAlgo? If you ask me, OpenAlgo gives you 50 plus nodes across triggers, action, conditions, and data, which you can see it over here. We have the triggers, actions, where you can have different types of order placement, placing an order, options order, multi-leg options order, basket order, split order, modify order, cancel order. So all those provisions has been there. You can also even close all your open positions as well. And under the data section, you have access to all the data provisions, including you can get the order book, trade book, position book, and history and open positions and expiry dates, holdings, funds, including margin calculators, right? So, and the stream function, it gets you the WebSocket real-time codes, and it'll be keep on continuously getting those codes as well. And the logic part, you will be getting various logical checks, AND gate, OR gate, and not kind of an logical operations you will be able to get. Utilities is where you'll be getting an mathematical operations, variables, right? So which you can use it to do complex stuff, logging and Telegram and delays. So wait until, maybe if in case if you want to wait until a certain time to trigger a certain activity, the delay and wait until will be helping you a lot. And you can group your request, and you can even trigger an external API as well, right? So, and we also have this holiday and timings calendar as well. You can check the market timings, whether the day is a holiday or not. All those things you can able to do inside your OpenAlgo flow. And when it comes to the trigger, even you can do a price based alert trigger, or if in case you have an TradingView webhook link, you can even receive alert from TradingView webhook, and you can process those into orders as well. That is completely possible. And the best part here is, let me show you how we can create a workflow, right? So I'm gonna create a new workflow here, right? I'll say like my simple workflow. I'm gonna create a very simple workflow. I want to create. So first thing is like I'm going to start with a schedule. I can tell what time you want to start. You can also say like you can also schedule it. What are the days and times you want to run, whether you want to run only on weekends or weekdays. So all those things you'll be able to check over here. If in case you don't want anything, you can clear it. So it's up to you like how you want. So in my case, I'll say like I want on all days. So you can, it will be continuously running on even on Saturday, Sundays also you can do that. But if you don't want Saturday and Sunday, you can just uncheck those things. So followed by that, you can also add actions as well. Let's say I'm going to add a simple place order to that, and I'll just connect the nodes, right? So You can connect multiple nodes as well. Means I can do things parallelly as well. So like I can also able to connect multiple parallel nodes, and I can each and every node I can click. I can say like whether I want buy and sell, what quantity, what product. Let's say I want to send an MIS, and the first one is going to be like Reliance. I want to send 10 quantities, and place order. Obviously, I want here like Infi 20 quantities is what I want, right? So you can implement such kind of many two things, something like that. Let's say another 10 quantities is what I'm going to add over here, or you can also increase or reduce based upon how you want. For time being, I'll keep something like 20 is the number I'm going to keep, right? And you can just try to trigger it. So just click on run now to check whether how it is executing. You can just test it out, right? So of course you have to save the node, right? So let me save the node, and then so let me go and click on the run now here. So automatically you can see that the workflow is getting executed. So ensure that it is saved. So once it is saved, the next time onwards, let's say you want to run at a specific time. Let's say you can go and set the time. Let's say 9:20 that you want to buy that particular thing at a certain time. You can just save and first you save it and then you activate it. So once you activated it, it will be start listening for that particular time, and whenever the time is met, it will be placing those orders simultaneously, right? So that's a very simple workflow, but yes, complex workflow is possible. And I'll also give you the link down below the YouTube description so that you can go and check it out, how you can build your own workflows. You can find the GitHub. Inside GitHub you can find a lot of examples. I'll give you the GitHub link down below that. And let me know in comments like what are the nodes that you would love to see it. So of course we'll be adding the indicators very soon, indicators from various time frames. The best part is it is completely open source, right? And you have to use along with OpenAlgo. And of course you have to come up with OpenAlgo credentials, which you can go to the settings, and you have to enter your OpenAlgo API key, OpenAlgo host URL and WebSocket URL. You can also toggle between the live mode and the analyzer mode as well. By default, analyzer mode is highly recommended if you are running for the very first time. You can also go back and check the test connection as well to check whether the connectivity has been established or not. And I think the best part is, right, so you can also use AI tool. This is something which I had created using a simple AI tool to generate this workflow, right? So here every 1 minute once it will be calculating what is the ATM call option and ATM put option for the specific expiry. It get the codes and it calculates those premiums, and it combines the premium and it sends to the Telegram alert every 1 minute once. The best part is you can go and share the workflow as well. You can export the workflow. So once you export the workflow, so automatically it be stored as an JSON. So later on you can come back, you can send it to your friends, and your friends can go and click on new workflow, or they can import the workflow, select and they can go and import it. They'll be able to export this JSON, right? So and then just click on import. You will be able to access this workflow in any of your machines. That's the most interesting part. And you can, if you're building any complex workflow, and you can also share it with your friends as well, friends, family, even to your grandma as well, right? So if you are having a trading friend, if he is having a very good strategy, yes, of course he can share the template to you, or even you can share it in a public forum. People can download it and they can access these flows, they can import it, and they can make the most out of it, right? So let me know what you are building using OpenAlgo Flow. Let me know how OpenAlgo Flow works for you in the comment. Thank you. Bye-bye. Happy New Year. Advance Happy New Year, right? Thank you.